The world is entering an AI data center arms race, with over $3 trillion expected to be invested globally by 2029. These facilities, once simple server hubs, are now evolving into AI native, quantum ready infrastructures, powering the next era of intelligence, automation, and digital sovereignty. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The United States leads with over 5,000 data centers, backed by mega investments from Microsoft with $80 billion, Amazon, Google, Meta, and Oracle's Stargate projects. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia and the UAE are emerging as new AI powerhouses, each developing multi gigawatt facilities driven by sovereign AI ambitions and abundant energy. Unlike traditional setups, AI data centers rely on accelerated computing, liquid cooling, and software defined orchestration to handle massive AI workloads. Designed around next gen GPUs like NVIDIA's GB200, these sites are built for multimodal, real time intelligence and future quantum workloads. As nations compete to control compute power, data centers have become the new oil fields of the AI economy. Whoever controls the compute controls the future. The race ahead will define global leadership in AI innovation, sustainability, and digital trust, making AI first infrastructure the foundation of tomorrow's intelligent world. Let's look into today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to launch rupees 1 lakh crore fund to boost private sector-led R&D ecosystem. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be launching today a rupees 1 lakh crore fund to promote private sector-driven investments in research and development. He will also inaugurate the first Emerging Science and Technology Innovation Conclave 2025, a flagship government event in the field of science and technology in the capital. In a major boost to the country's R&D ecosystem, the rupees 1 lakh crore Research, Development and Innovation Scheme Fund will seek to promote a private sector-led R&D framework. Apple to use Google's Gemini for revamped Siri. Apple is reportedly planning to integrate Google's Gemini model into a revamped version of Siri, its voice assistant. The move is part of Apple's broader Apple Intelligence Initiative and is expected to be unveiled around March 2026. The collaboration between the two tech giants marks a rare partnership in the highly competitive world of artificial intelligence. Apple is said to be funding Google to develop a custom version of Gemini tailored specifically for Siri. Perplexity's new finance feature will soon track holdings of Indian politicians. Perplexity has introduced a new feature in order to track insider trading and politician holdings through the finance feature available on its artificial intelligence powered tool. The company's CEO, Arvind Srinivas, also announced that soon users will be able to see and track the trading done by Indian politicians. Much of the data on politicians' financial holdings is already made public through regulatory filings. Even in India, politicians and lawmakers are required to declare their assets and holdings. Microsoft working on a feature to allow users to connect two Bluetooth headphones at once. Microsoft is testing a new Windows 11 feature called Shared Audio, which lets a PC stream sound to two Bluetooth devices simultaneously with no cables or workarounds required. The tech giant has introduced this feature in the latest Windows 11 Insider preview of the dev and beta channels and uses Bluetooth Low Energy Audio to broadcast the PC's sound to two compatible audio devices at the same time, a feature not supported in Windows previously. Apple AirPods likely to get a camera upgrade in 2026. Apple's AirPods range may soon receive one of its biggest design updates yet. The company is working on a new AirPods Pro model equipped with integrated infrared cameras expected to arrive in 2026. The addition of camera technology could open the door to new AI-powered and mixed reality features, further blurring the line between Apple's wearables and its growing vision ecosystem. The camera-equipped AirPods Pro will reportedly feature IR sensors similar to those found in the True Depth system used in iPhones. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to War India magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.